Hello everyone, let's see that I'm live on all the platform. Okay, Twitch, great, I'm live. Okay, today we don't have any important news. I'm usually not trading pre-London and London opening, but at the moment that I woke up, it was around pre-London. I woke up from sleep. I saw an opportunity to buy here and I didn't buy. I go back to sleep and then I woke up and I was very disappointed. Just kidding. Everything is okay. Nothing bad happened. We're going to have a bunch of more opportunities. Okay, so my bias for today is buy on gold, and I'm looking for a sell on GBPJPY. My main concern right now is that we don't going to have much of a volume, because we already have volume on the pre-New York, on the pre-London. Okay, I want to wait for New York opening. See if we're going to have an opportunity to buy on gold or sell on JPY. It look like we more experiencing now a change of directions and not a continuation of the trend, which I have a little bit hard time to break this high. I can put like sell right now, put a stop loss here. but is risky. The 1 hour look like showing a good indication for sell on DJ. There is a few scenario. If I put a sell now, stop loss here, or I wait to this 30-minute candle to close, and there is a chance it's going to all the way down. and I'm maybe going to miss it. Let's see what is going to happen. 5 minutes for a new 30-minute candle. Wow. New York opening. Very soon. Okay, New York opening. something is not quite off here, I don't know. I have a feeling that my chance for today was on London, pre-London and London opening, and I miss it for today. There is a chance. Maybe later today I will be able to dictate an entry. Hey, how you doing, brother? Listen, I want to start from pre-London. Pre-London, it was a big miss. I just woke up and it was like half an hour before London opening. So I indicate while I'm, sometimes I'm open trading view for my phone, and I saw a volume on the pre London, and I was thinking to myself, oh, wake up right now and go to the computer when I'm tired or no. So I go back to sleep. Stupid. What I need to do is to wake up and absorb the opportunity. And if I was wake up, I for sure will take a buy here, put a stop loss here. But I missed this opportunity. GJ, I'm looking for sell. Should have, could have, yes. Excuse, like, how the fuck did I say? תירוצים. Excuses. Excuses. Yeah. So about GJ, I have I'm thinking, yeah, what you say? Oh, what you wacky quack? Oh, wacky what you quack? I was thinking about GJ. Maybe if the price close here, maybe we can have a sell opportunity. But the problem, what I'm afraid of is we had the breakout and then we close inside the zone again. Maybe like it was a fake out, and then GJ will continue and correct himself, like correct the price. But maybe it's better to wait for the 4-hour candle to see if the 4-hour candle is going to close around here, and then the next one is will find support here, and is also below the 188.800, like it's below 189. So maybe we'll see a continuation down after this. Let's see what is going to happen. Gold, I wanted to take a buy here, but the stop loss is too wide. So I'm waiting for a better entry. I'm waiting the price to reach here. When it's reach here, I'm going to put a stop loss here. 230, 1000. Let's divide it to 30 is 4.3. Let's 4.2. Okay. Yeah, JJ look like. No financial advice. Which time frame is 4 hour time frame. Yes, it does, the 4 hour time frame, but it's too wide. Like, it's 1000 move, is 1000 points of stop loss. Is too wide. You can find yourself if like 2 days in this position. You cannot know where it's going to go. You know, how I see it, this, the 30-minute is going, not this, I don't know if this one, but eventually the price is going to go here. It's going to be like, okay, I'm stop or go up, so it's going to close here and then it's going to touch here and then go up, maybe. So I'm waiting, just waiting. I don't know. For now, the price is broke above the 198 to 189.184, and then retraced again to 188.9. So let's see what is going to happen. We have like this rejection on gold. The best opportunity was on the pre-London and London opening. The best opportunity. Like, when we don't have, when I see a days with no special news, and then I see suddenly a volume on the pre-New York, when I see, like, again, a day without news, when I see a volume in pre-London, I'm expecting the price to continue on London opening. And when we have news in the afternoon, usually we have a better opportunity on New York, pre-London, and London opening, and 1 hour, and again we have another opportunity 1 hour after New York opening. Yeah, but is the 4 hour time frame is for levels, not like executions and where to put a stop loss, like for me. The way I see it, now we're going to see a correction, not a continuation. Stop loss is really, it's not always the same. Stop loss not always the same. Like, I can is very depend on which level the price is and where is the stop loss. Risk is 1%, yes, but the stop loss placement is not always the same. Yes, you're right. Me also, 1% risk. This is risk, but when you're going to put your stop loss. Like if you want to risk 1%, okay, you risk 1% and your stop loss is 930 points. So in order for you to make 1%, the price need to move the same like distance. So like it doesn't matter for you where you put your stop loss, just is going to be 1%. Like you don't care, you don't mind where your stop loss is, at least it was 1%. What am I doing is I measure the distance from my entry point so to where I am want to put my stop loss, and then I calculate on that 1% risk. Okay, let's see if we have an opportunity here. I want to see this candle touch here and retrace a little bit up. Like I can to buy here, to buy now. We have more 2 minutes. Let's see what is going to happen. Suddenly the price is freezing. Always in 330. Don't understand this broker. My phone is not next to, oh, let's see. Gold price on trading view is not freezing. 6. Is here right now. Too much. Let's start record. Stop loss, take profit. Stop loss on break even. put a stop loss here, take profit here. Like let's see if I can have a better take profit position. Okay, maybe I'm going to be stop out on break even. Yes, long. I took a buy position on gold. GJ look very bearish for me. I don't know. Let's see if gold is going to be very nice with me and allow me to profit something today. If I was looking for a sell right now, I would be sell right now and put a stop loss here. What I like about gold, there is a chance to reach here even. ולא חמרת לי די, הרוח מנשבת על פניי, ולא חמרת לי די. I don't want to look on the panel. There is a chance I'm going to be stop out on break even. The problem is that I don't know how the price is really look at. הרוח מנשבת על פניי, $600. Could you be wrong to it over? No, what? Let's do something. Okay. Let's remove these. I put a trail, like if the price now is skyrocketing, it's crazy, but I believe I'm going to be stopped out very soon. And I'm out. I'm not happy with this trade. I should wait. I needed to wait. It was a mistake. I need to wait to put my stop loss here below this line. Have a take profit around here. If I really want to go crazy, so up here. I just need to take the chance to wait the price to break this resistance. At least like to wait the price to reach here. Okay, let's stop recording. Let's save the record. The date is 3/3. Today is 4/2/3/4/2. I need to stop, look at the panel, really, stop to look. Let's see about liquidity. Look, the structure for a buy on GJ is right, like I understand this. You see this middle bullish candle is usually when you have like a structure and you have like down here a very bullish candle. So yeah, it can indicate on the long run for like buy, but for the short term that I'm trade off is not fixed for me. Like there is a chance the price to reach here or something like this, and then to continue with the with the uptrend. But I understand the structure. So you have long right now. You are took. So you are in or you are out. Like You are in the trade? I understand. Because I know you trade only crypto. Okay, I got you. Listen, I did a mistake. I really did a mistake, for my opinion. I needed at least to wait for the 15-minute candle to close. I don't know. A trail stop, for me, I call it a coward behavior, like you're afraid. So I put a trail. I need to be solid with my position. Yeah, but if the price reached here, at least as I planned, I could make 1.4k. Yeah, $600 is huge, but I accidentally risk 1.2k. I accidentally risk 1.2 to make 600 is not okay for me. You understand? Like I could do it better. Okay, I'm 4% on my challenge. 4% up. I just need to have another 6%. Another 6%, and then I get 1.5k as a payout, like a payout. Look, here now maybe it's time to buy. It's a good buy. Maybe it's a good buy now. Maybe, I said maybe. Maybe. I do. I really do. You know what? Let's do something like this. 250. 1 divided 250. Okay, $100 risk. Let's record this. Okay, I took a buy position. A very small risk is not usually what I'm doing, because this 30-minute candle broke the low of the previous one. We don't have like a good continuation structure on the 15-minute, but I do like think maybe is a support. I don't know, maybe the price will find the support here, or it don't. I don't care. Look on GJ look like good for sell. I said GJ is going to break this low and continue down. It's not about my TP could be even here, like, I don't care. Like, listen, at 4, if at 4 the price will close bullish around here, I'm going to place another trade. Another like 1% risk trade. Okay, look like DJ find the support, but it look like he's maybe going to break this support. If DJ break this support to here, it's going to continue all the way down, but it's better to wait for the 4-hour candle. We have a 4-hour candle in 10 minutes. Look how tight it is. My stop loss on the 15 minute. Okay, we have a break. Like I can put a sell position, a stop loss here. But I'm not going to do it. I'm just going to wait for this new 30-minute candle to be formed. I really want to see this candle close bullish around here. Okay, DJ break is on the low. I tell you, this current 30 minute is going to go all the way down here. If DJ break is on low, is going down right now. I am very positive about gold. Even though that is look very tight. The key here is the 1 hour on DJ. Look on the 1 hour. Oh, my dogs, I forgot about it. Okay, I want to know if gold suddenly going to break here. Like I can put a sell, stop loss here 190 and take profit all the way down here. Like I'm say so many things but I'm not executing. This is also a thing I need to work on. We have 7 minutes. Okay, 1 minute I'm back. I'm feeding my dogs. Let them give them something to eat. That one. Another 5 minutes. Wow. Look on JJ, look. Look. Take a look. Take a look. I could put a sell position here, but everything can happen when the price is still like the 30-minute candle is still open. Where is your entry? I say entry is here. Entry is here. Let's see how it look like. Here entry. Entry is here. Buy here. So your stop loss is really close to where I'm thinking that the entry should be, like the buy where it should be. For me, buy is here to 188.250 if you ask me to buy. All right. Because I see this pattern, this thing happen so many times, like so many times. This 30-minute structure, how it look like, I saw it like I'm not kidding, like 3 times when you be here, when you start to follow me. No, between 2 to 3 times. Maybe there is a secret, maybe you are a market maker, and because of you I'm winning all the time. You see me take a sell, so you make it to go down. I had a feeling. Let you pass. Exactly, I knew this was your plan at the beginning. Let's rock the Jew, huh? Let's rock the Jew, huh? What she say? Oh, what you walkie wake wake? Ooh, walkie wake woo, wake 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 wake. Oh la 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 la, what she say? La la la. Oh, what you say? Oh, what you wake wake? Chuku wake wake woo, wake 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 wake. Oh, wake 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 wake, wake 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 wake. Man, I need to pay this band the percentage for my profits. seconds, 10 seconds. It's not quite a big close. Like in order to be stop out, this current 1 hour candle should break the low of the previous 1 hour, and like I have this structure bullish, close inside. There is a chance to win here. Also, at the 4 hour, we above the line, but we reach to a main resistance. So I don't know. Like there is a chance, but what I'm afraid of is that we reach to this resistance, but still we have the potential for continuation. Okay. Look at this. What a beautiful thing. Okay, maybe now sell on GJ. Maybe now. Oh, I miss it. Did she say? Oh, what she say? I'm going to put my stop loss on break even because Why to lose this beautiful $100? Why? For what? Find the rejection in this main. Listen, there is a chance to have a stop position here. Okay, I'm out on gold. Let's take it. Maybe at 4:30 we're going to see a bit of volume too. Oh, what she said. Where is the toilet paper? I'm just now my best opportunity war on the pre-London. So did she say la la la? Oh, what she say? Oh, what you want to wake wake? Oh, waka waka waka. You see my entry got hit, perfection. Man, that was a really good entry, to be honest. Very good entry. Like, this is the beauty of this thing called market. There is so many ways to make money, so many tactics, so many, like, it's never stop. It's like chess. You don't have one opening, you don't have one end game. I can teach you one level. If you implement that, you reach. Of course, I'm always want to learn. Of course I want. Yeah, I want to. Why not? Yeah, why not? I really want to. How you want to do it? Discord, let's see if I have Discord. I need to log in. I need to download Discord to my phone. And then I could yeah, let me download the Discord app. I'm going to log in for my phone, and then I could log in at my computer, because I have the login information saved on my. Oh, why not? Confirm. Okay, I need to. I can't log into my Discord, so let me check which email is. Verify your login. Yes, it's this. Here we go. Here we go, I'm in. Now I'm going to scan. I want to scan the QR code. Let's do it again. Excuse me, it's just stinky stuff. Stinky stuff. This motherfucker. Okay, let's log in. No. What the fuck? I don't understand why it's not allowing me. Maybe no. Okay, yes, I knew. Okay. Okay, you can give me your Discord. Okay, you can give me your Discord. Okay. Ooh. had to find. Rebecca. Hello, it's with me. Hello. Hello, yo yo.
Yo.
Hey, how you doing?
Good. And you? First time you hear me, basically.
First time I hear you. Yeah. How it feel to be in the other side? How? Now you tell me.
I mean, I don't have a cam, so. But
Yeah. Sure. No problem.
so it's nothing new to you, but like it's very. So it's very hard. I don't know how to explain it, but so it's very hard. So you need to know a lot of more things to actually have like work the systems what I'm doing, but it's so precise and so accurate, and you can backtest it. And I'm just not telling you, oh, do that only. I'm just showing you these levels, and if you like remember them and you see them while you're doing your own system, then you will notice maybe, oh man, that is kind of, it just on top of your system, it maybe helps you at some point.
Yeah,
So
it's like a, you give me some advice to be more accurate, like to be
yeah.
more. Yeah, I got you. It's okay. Yeah, maybe I would recognize what you're going to show me, but
Exactly.
yeah, but
So
like is you want to get into more details? Like I got you.
so you see the screen, right?
Let me record 1 minute.
Because this is basically what I developed by my own. Like,
Yeah. Just a second. How can I record this? Camera turn, share your screen. I just want to check out how can I make it without interrupt to my stream. But just a second, I'm going to add another sense. Put.
does it work? I don't even know if you can do that, but maybe you can.
No. I just going to. Your explanation going to show on my stream. Okay, here we go. You can go.
So, first of all, it's not a financial advice. I'm a noob, and don't listen to me. It's just for entertainment purpose. Everything I show is my own experience, and
Yeah.
like it's not that you actually can copy that, or like,
It's your
it's just
fault.
do your own research. Yeah, it's your own fault if you lose money, everything
Yeah.
like that. Anyway, so you work from your time frames from the highest one. I only use basically the daily and go down. So when you look at this range where we're at right now, you don't have enough structure. That means you don't have enough candles to actually chart. I don't know if you do the same, but like I do that like this.
Okay.
Okay, so it's like I don't see enough in this particular area here. So
Okay.
that means I need to go one down time frame. Okay, so and then you see, oh, I have way more structure and way more candles to actually see what is happening. And just ignore these kind of stuffs. I'm coming later to that, but right now I just want to show you what we talked about, and this is this specific level, and maybe you can use it for your supply and demand areas you already mark out, and try this out. Okay, so you go at the highest time frame. You always can go lower, but usually you do it from the highest, and then you go down even further. Anyway, this is like the first. We saw it on the daily. We don't have enough structure, enough candles, so we go one down, and then we have way more. Right, all these candles are in the daily candles we see here. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the 4 hours, like we have 4 hours. So this is like these 3-4 days.
Okay.
Anyway, so and then you see the rule for this marking is you need to have 2 of the okay, are you familiar with accumulation candle and distribution candle?
No.
Okay, so okay, I need to start with that then. So you see, for you it's different. You have red and green. Okay, so the you know what accumulation and distribution is?
Accumulation, not much, but
okay, so
like
accumulation basically means it's buying pressure. So
okay.
every time you see the market basically comes down, then you see it goes sideways, right? And in this sideways phase, it basically accumulates like plus, someone buying, and at some point it goes boom up, right? We see that all the time, kind of.
Okay.
And distribution is like selling, right? You have the same thing on the top, selling or something, and then someone it goes down. So accumulation is like gathering like buying, and distribution basically is selling. And you see that you have the same as the candles. For example, your red candle. Maybe I can switch that, but your red candle.
No, it's okay. It's okay. My red candle is your greens.
Yeah, exactly. So your red candle is distribution, and your green candle or white wine is accumulation. So up is accumulation, and down is distribution. Okay.
Okay.
That's important. So and if you know that, then we have the rule is basically you need to have 2 of the same type. If you look on the bottom, is the red candle you use, and if you look on the top, we use the green candle.
Okay.
That's the rule, or that's so. And then you use basically 2. You need to have 2 of the red candle. On the bottom, you need to have you use basically the opposite for this specific level. So you use basically on the bottom you use the accumulation candle, and you need 2 of the same. Same ones.
Like for if you want to take a sell, you want to wait for 2 distribution candles.
No. So we're just marking right now. So how do I explain that? So. No, like right now, what I is technically super easy. Right now, what I just want to tell you is we need 2 green candles to mark the bottom, basically. So we have these 2. We have, for example, these 2 green candles. This would be in the rule, so we need at least 2 of the green candles for the bottom side, and we need at least 2 red ones here, this one and this one on the top side, for example.
Okay.
So and then if you have that and you're on the time frame, so we can't use the daily, so we're going 1 down. We had that already, so we have more. So and then you mark this, for example, here, and then the rule is basically, or like when you mark them and you backtest it, you will notice. You see that we never close the candle underneath this level, never, right? This is not a close for me. Is it the close for you, for your system? These ones, these wicks, no, right?
I'm not usually look like this. Like for me, how can I say it? If I'm looking for like an execution, like a time frame, execution time frame is for me the 30-minute, 4 hour, and daily is levels. 15-minute is to indicate like a buy or sell structure. Like if I looking for sell, so I want to see like 2 red candles while I have a sell setup on the 30-minute, and then the rest of the time frames, that is from the daily to 4 hour to 1 hour, is like really indicate me that the prices have the high probability to go down. Okay. But I understand, I think I little bit understand what you're trying to say. You want to mark a zone, like you want to mark a zone, like you didn't have enough candle on the daily, so you go one one a bit lower to the 4 hours, so you look for a consolidation.
Kind of, yes.
You look for a consolidation. So for you to like frame this consolidation, you need for two distribution candles and two accumulation candles. So you can like frame it, like to put one line up and one line down, and then you maybe you look for, if you want to buy, you want a break, and then the price to get inside the zone again.
Yes. Kinda exactly, what you said. We can search a different one that is maybe easier to short.
Here. Like.
What again? Here?
A little bit up. Here, this area, like. I think like you can.
Like
if you go to 10 to 17 on your right.
10, you mean 10, 17?
Like dates, yes. Here, the zone on your right, the zone on your left, yes, this area. Yes. Maybe I don't know.
You will find that on every, like everywhere, like. So for example, how it works in this area here is, I'm switching to the 1 hour, so I have again the candles, and then we like I'm using the same stuff, and now obviously it comes to experience. But then you have here the green candles, you mark them, boom, and then you do it on the top, boom. So and the rule, another rule is, for example, that that this level is only valid if you tap once or twice in it, because then it only gets activated. So if it never put, like if it would never touch in there, it's not valid. So here, for example, we have the touch that basically, or two touches basically show us this is valid. We drop like pretty hard, so we know basically this is a valid level. We could, and then it's so much rules on that. But for example, we could go maybe let's see if this works.
Yeah, you know what the problem of it for me. Is like, okay, I don't see it on the 4 hours, so I look it on the 1 hour. I don't see it on the 1 hour, so I look it to the 30 minutes. So it's make me a confusion. I start to confuse. Like I don't have a focus. I don't have like a specific thing that I'm look at and I'm waiting for. Like you got me. Like
I know what you mean, but I don't see the, for example. You should stay with your strategy and system, but like I don't see the time frames as so hard as you. Like you see 30 and 15, and you only do this. Like I don't see, like I go to the 1 minute 3-5 and see if I can enter on that, because for example, like what we have right now, right? I showed you that, like this one, it doesn't mean it's every time 100% right. The market can do whatever, but like from a TA perspective, right? We have this kind of accumulation phase here, where people buy. Look these wicks. People buy, like huge buyers, huge buyers. Someone is buying this level. This level is someone's buying every time. So that means, that if we go, like, look, and then we have like the liquidation. Then the market got like, maybe you put the stop down here and you got liquidated. What happened? The market pushes completely up. So, and now the important part comes, because we built a higher high here. So we have a higher high with this kind of candle. What now is important, because we have everything TA wise what we need. We have liquidation from a level. We structured up, right? We broke the structure to the upside with this one. And now what we need to see is a higher low than this one here. So somewhere in this area, or like maybe this was already, and now we can go, right? This is like the perfect structure to.
What is ICT concept?
For example. But this is like the ICT concept, but it's kind of always working. It's working pretty fine. But my one, this one here is not a ICT system. but I'm just showing you don't implement that.
You have a name for this, I forgot. This Waldorf something. Waldorf, I don't remember. I'm not quite. I'm not. Wyckoff. Yeah.
No. I'm not using Wyckoff.
It's not this. It's not because
No.
I remember I saw a video a few months ago and it looked a bit familiar. It looked
but
like
you see here, we are finished almost. This is like so. If you have question how to, like, you can backtest them. You don't need to, but you can. But like, if we, this is like super high probability in my opinion. Like, I tried that and it's like super high win rate. If you have a range, right? If you have like something like that, you always can find the perfect level with what I showed you. Then you have these markets, and then you have like these systems, and then if one of these breaking, like one of this one or this one is breaking to the up or to the downside, you see what happens, because this is like you see what happens here. So yes, for example, you could trade like as a breakout trader. You are probably a breakout trader. You would enter like maybe short at this area. Maybe you got stopped out with that push, but what I do, and I developed that by myself, when I see these structures, these sideways, yeah, I kind of know, for example, how to explain it. So usually, when it comes from top down and then it builds these structures, I kind of I want to long the up because this is accumulation, right? Like accumulation in the market and then it goes up. So what like here we come from the top. Oh no, this is like, I don't know, we are at the top basically in this case. So we come from up and then we build, we probably have like we probably have some sort of bigger range here, but and then you need to have always your bias. And then what I do is, when you have your bias, you enter obviously on the top, and then your goal is to break this level. So because why am I doing it? Because pretty simple. If I'm entering and I have the right bias here, and my goal, I'm only taking this trade because I want to break this level here, or in other cases this level here. But I'm entering here in this level, and I want to break this level. Why? Because if it comes down and let's say it holds, let's say I entered. This is not a perfect example because usually sometimes it's going this multiple times on that, right? So I'm entering here on the top side. It comes down. And when it's not breaking, I have my stop loss. I can put my stop loss easily into profits already. So I'm not losing. Don't have a losing trade. Anyway, backtest this one if possible. If you're interested in this, like, you can go backtest.
I will see this again. This video, I will see it a few times, and then when I have like an idea how it's going to look like, maybe I'm going to backtest it.
Yeah. And then the next one is every time we're ranging, you find that you usually find these ranges. It comes down, then it ranges, but these are, you need to you know that, or you have a lot of experience too, but you know that a lot of times, look, it's like a liquidation, right? Liquidation, and then that goes. Liquidation, and then it goes. Liquidation, and then it goes. So you need to have that in mind while using that. But for example, here too, like the top side, we probably have, if you're going lower, we have probably some sort of level. When I mark this here, boom, and then it breaks this level to the upside and it rips up. It's every time. You can backtest it. It's every time. So, and then, sorry to interrupt it, but then the next level is what you, it's just order blocks. You see it here. It's also, for example, this one, like this was depending on your strategy, that was a good trade. So you probably would have taken profits maybe already. So it's a positive trade, but there's a potential that we go lower. And what I show you with that is, maybe you can backtest too. It's order blocks. It's super important. For example, on the top side, the same accumulation candle and distribution candle, right? On the top, we have the accumulation green candle, and then
Okay.
how you market is you look at these levels. It's basically you can mark it, okay, or like backtest it. So what you do is you mark these areas here. The wick of the of the green candle on top, like on the bottom side, these ones, and on the bottom side you mark these ones, the top of that.
Okay.
So
And I wait for the price to reach there to take a buy.
yes, exactly. So you basically on the bottom you try to buy these, and on the top you try to sell these.
So the way I see it, yes, I believe the prices will reach to 199.240 and then bounce from there.
199.40. 99.
On JBPJPY 199. 188. 188. I confuse sometimes between the 9 to 8. 188 like on the on the 30 minute is a little bit below the order block.
Oh. 188 or 98?
188. 188.240.
Oh, you mean lower? Yeah.
Yeah, lower.
Oh, you mean lower? Yeah. Okay. So yeah, exactly. So you see, these are all order blocks, right? So what you said is like 188, 240, yeah?
Yeah.
Is it a specific level, or you just say that because of levels?
Is a specific level because.
Which one is it? Like, how do you mark it?
Because
how do you choose this level?
How I see it, because we have a clean range on the left. If you look at my screen, we have a clean range on the left, and then we have this rejection here.
Wait, I can't see. You're showing the showing my.
I mean, I show you my screen now. Like if you look at my screen on JBPJPY, you know my screen like
I see,
like on my stream.
You're streaming my view, you know.
yeah, I'm streaming. Right, yeah. So you can see. So wait
I can't see it.
Okay, now I'm back.
Okay, wait a second. A little bit delayed, probably.
I forgot to change it.
Yes. Okay, show me how you. Okay, what is the rule for marking the level down there?
It's because we have this clean range. Here is like a rejection. The clean range is stop. I'm start to see like a red candles as well on the left. So
so you mean it only green candles? That's why the last red candle, something like that?
Yeah, the last, like I see here, this red, this. You see this red candles.
Can you zoom in a little bit?
Like we have this like support, like a support. I call it an agreement zone, that if the price is going to close below here, it doesn't have any business to go up, because now we have a new agreement, like that the prices should go down. So the most potential place the price to continue down is when you have a clean range. Clean range is this, that you see green, everything is clean. You don't have like a mix of candles, not like green and then red, and then everything is clean on the left. So you have a potential to reach here, and most of the time the price find the support on like 199 to 250, 199, like 200, something like this. Like sometimes you can see the price, if like for example the price is 199 point, let's say 200, and now the price is dropped to 98.900, there is more potential to price to reach to 189.600. Like, I see it a few times. I don't know if I explained it okay.
So you
But
mean number like straight numbers like 600, 700, 800, 900?
yeah, something like this.
Okay.
But the majority, but what is very important in my thing, what I'm doing, is wait the 30-minute candle to close. It's very important is location.
Yeah.
If it's suddenly locate on the wrong level that I'm not expecting from him to be located, is like right now, if this 30-minute candle close here, so I'm not gonna take a sell.
Yeah.
Because I want the price to close here. But as I see right now, there is more potential for DJ to continue up.
Yeah.
We have this fake out break in. We have this consolidation. We see the price close outside of the consolidation. Get inside again is typically similar to what you show me on the 4-hour time frame.
Yeah.
But now is like on the lower time frame.
Yeah,
that
135.
Yeah, that I see the price break outside of the zone, get inside again, and then there is a chance the price or break the zone or fill the zone.
Yeah, exactly.
So that's it. So I just is almost the same idea, but on a different time frames and a little bit different perspective, I think.
Yeah, true. But I want to like with the. So you said basically the. Like
the 188.240, I think is going to be like.
So you said it's only green up, and how I have, for example.
Like on the 30-minute, you look at on the 15-minute.
Yeah, I don't have the 30. Can I use them?
Of course.
Okay.
Yes.
So this would be exactly like you explained it in a different way, but we basically mean the same way. You have it marked here. I, for example, because it's a red candle on the bottom, I would mark, or like my level would be. So technically, the best. You can backtest that. The best one is this, exactly this level, like on the top of this close. But for example, why? It's going too deep in the system. But for example, here we have a little wick only. So let's say the price comes at some point, comes down, and stops here and then goes up. So in order to not lose this trade, like in order to get into this trade, when the wick is not that big, then you can that's why I'm marking these levels basically. These ones, like for example, this is like technically this is too big of a wick, so I wouldn't enter technically here. So this would be the best, but because I'm not going in detail with the system with you, like I'm marking the whole wick. So this would be basically the level. You have the level down here. And you should like look it up and back test the levels. For example, red candle, you choose top of the body, and white candle, you use the bottom of this candle. And this is what this means is basically you laddering down like a ladder. If you step on the ladder and go down or upstairs, this is basically showing you, for example, like here we see it. I'm not using the 30 minutes, but this is like coming into this level, touch, go down. This one comes into this level here. We
so
have this one.
You're trying to basically to catch the lows and catch the highs for take. Yeah, okay, I got you.
So I would never, for example, you like I watched the video where like some old guy who's scalping, he said the potential or the percentage that we are that you're like longing the top and you have a breakout, the potential of the breakout is way lower than like the potential of the break is way lower than that it's not breaking and it goes down again. So more out of the time, it's better to short the top of a range than to try to long the breakout.
Yeah, but if you remove, if you remove all the right side and
This
you
one,
focus, no,
like this.
a little bit more, a little bit, show a little bit more. Yeah, something around this. You cannot know if the price eventually is going to continue
Yes,
up or down.
that is
Now you
correct.
look it, you see yourself, okay, I have a support here. I think babies look like a buy. I cannot know what is going to happen next. Now we look on the 4 hour. 4 hour is very wide. So if you, for example, wait for the opportunity you represent to me right now, you need to wait days and on days that you sit
Not
in
if you
front of the
know.
computer and not taking any trades.
No, not if you yeah.
But
Probably
only
you're
if
right.
you go lower on the time frames. Yes,
Yes.
right.
Yeah, but like this is like, for example, you see the same here. We can do it on the 1 hour, and then we get more precise. Boom, hit, hit, hit. So, like you said, for example, you don't know if you buy or sell. That's what
Yeah.
that's what I told you earlier. We came from that's why like I implement that. Like I don't know if it's correct, but we have a long downtrend.
Like we
So
can go up to down, and then let's say we see on the bottom we see the bottom, we see these three red lines. These two
where?
red lines on the left, a little bit left, were yes, red lines, red candles, and now we know this is like a bottom, like
I mean,
the,
it's yeah, like we came from somewhere higher. That's basically how I see it. Like when you come, for example, I would, for example, let's say let's say we did this, we came from down here, right? We came something like this is not existing, and we came up, and then we built this range. I would never long this range. So this is only when we come down, we have a downtrend, and then we come up, and then we slowly build these things. At this point, I already have most likely my bottom, and usually what I experience is that the third or fourth hit on one of these lines is most likely than the break. So
okay.
and at this point I already have marked it, so I know basically I want to long, so I long it. It goes most likely up, and then obviously you have a system. Maybe you partial sell here, but the main goal is, because this is like very important, what I've noticed is the main goal is like the one who's breaking out. If you mark this out like this, if this is breaking, you usually have like a big pump, and you want obviously the big pump because it makes sense, right? Because
But usually the big pump up is eventually is close inside the range again, like.
You mean these you mean these fake pumps, yeah?
Yes.
Yes. But then you already you're entering here. It fake pumps. Either way, you say, okay, I'm closing my position here, or you say basically, if it comes under this line again, and it closes a 30-minute or whatever your system is, then I'm closing the trade. You're up from here, so your stop loss is anyway already in profit, and you could say, okay, I'm taking it off. Then it comes back down. You maybe you lose one trade on the liquidation, because this is hard to trade if you know. I'm not saying, I'm just saying, like, it's nice to have these levels, to know these levels, and to backtest them. And you have in mind, okay, we have like a range system, and when one of these is breaking, then we most likely get volatility, because it makes sense, right? From a perspective, because people selling, and then probably here already people got stopped out, selling, and then at some point we break this up and the huge pump comes. You can backtest this every time, the same thing. And then we have like more accurate system. This is like a system obviously with these levels. I told you, like these are specific levels. It's like you know, the green candle underneath the green trail on the top, and above the above the red candle on the bottom. Yeah, it's hard to explain. It's super hard probably to remember and whatnot, but like this is super.
You need like a memory muscle to execute it on real time, like to really know how it look like, and not guessing.
But even then, if you sell here, it's a huge profit, no? Like this all down here, from top here.
Yeah,
to top
yeah.
here.
If you sell there, but you cannot know, but you can, because if you look on the left a little bit and you put like a box on the wicks and you stretch it to right, so you can say if the price close below this box, so there is a potential to have a sell, like.
But look, if you look at this one here, so even though let's not implement my stuff, but we need to also to find a better time frame, because we maybe don't have. But you already see, maybe you use also like something like a normal RSI where you see.
I don't use any indicator, zero indicators.
Yeah, same, but I'm occasionally sometimes use this when I'm in this kind of where I've like in a position where I am at the break point, we break up, and then I see, okay, let's give me one more indicator, like a bigger, if the volume or whatever comes in, and then you can maybe see this is a double top, or like goes straightly down and this goes up, so it could signal that we're going down again, something like that. But then what I'm just saying is like, yeah, you don't know if you sell here. Yeah, maybe you wait here and look how it's forms, and then you can see already, okay, this is like an untapped. This is like the untapped level here again. That would be the first one. Okay, look. This is showing me I'm not on the right time frame. This is obviously experience, but with the system. But this shows me that we're going in this area here. It shows me that we are like going. We have a lower time frame. I hope I can go back enough. Yeah, we can. So let's see if that is the right time frame. Probably even not, but that's.
Here we go. Yes.
Nah, it's not the 100%. It's even lower, but I can't go. I think I can't go 1 minute there. Wait, what?
1 minute for me is like no way.
Oh, I can. Holy shit! Yeah, perfect. So now we see it maybe. So we have like boom. And then this one would be the next one.
Yeah, but is on the 1 minute is not. It's too much guessing. You cannot really know. Like
yes and no, but look. Just a quick example. Again, like we have this area here, right? This one is support. It was support in it. We break down the same system we have right now. We breaking structure, so we break down, and then this signals basically that we break the structure. So it might be, it's not 100%. Trading is not 100%. We all know that, but it might be that because we trade here, we're going lower. But this is like the normal structure. After this break, we're going down. We come back again into like an order block here, right, or whatever.
Is it so certain kind of Fibonacci levels? Like if you're going to stretch a Fibonacci levels from there to there, you basically you're going to get something.
This one is here. I only use this level here when I use Fibonacci, but I don't use them that much. But then
I
you
used
see
to in the past.
it's then you know that, for example, you need to come back up, so you're not trading the breakout. You know that we come usually back up, so you wait that. So if you don't catch this one, because with my system I wouldn't catch it probably because it doesn't touch my level here. But this also signals, for example, that we don't touch the greediest, the lowest time frame. We don't touch it. That means it's also bearish because we never reach to it. And then we see here, okay, the next chance I have is taking this one because my invalidation, for example, for me it makes sense. So if we touch this level here, like if we come up, if we would have come up to here and break this level, like to the upside, it invalidates my bearish bias and I would instantly go out of the trade. But we hold this level here, and that's the perfect entry there. Boom.
Yeah.
That's just another level, but the more important one is the one with the
On the 4 hour.
that's all of this here goes too deep, and you shouldn't remember because this is like too hard. But this level, this one is, look here too, like we come up to the order block here and go down. It's always the order block. Maybe you can backtest that, or like remember that it's always the green candle underneath the green candle. This is not the right time frame. I go up and
It's a little bit similar to what the way I'm look at the price, but
okay. Yeah, I told
the
you.
same, but it's different. I cannot know how to explain it. It's pretty much like the how you precise the price action and and the levels, and
you see, you can
pretty much
backtest
look. Yeah.
You can crazy backtest it here, and let's like here. It's like this is like how do you use that? That is completely different a different talk, right? Because this is super hard. Like when you need to know when, you need to know which time frame and all of this. So this is like or like let's take one example on the bottom side. If we have the right time frame, for example here, if we lose this one, if you put this on, so you said the same. You said only so you said basically to me, when we talked about your 30-minute level or 50-minute level, it goes up after the red one. For me, it's called untested level. So this level here, this order block is untested. So what this means is the price in the previous situation, after we go up, it never come down and tested this level here. Right? This is an untested level. That means we at some point come back to this level. And what we see is, if you mark it, boom, we come up. Yeah, we dig deeper. So maybe there is some, you see, and then the other level I marked before was valid, but it's always the same. It's like it's super. It's if you know how to use it, it's accurate. Like we are on a 15. Let's see here. It's too deep. This one is not untested, so it was probably the 15.
Understand this because I used to do it as when, like let's say one year ago, I used to do it. I used like to mark these locations, and I used to try to catch the low and catch the highs. And it didn't work for me at all.
But look,
I know
like you wouldn't, but you wouldn't enter here, right? For the long. Like what is your, because you would have lost here, you would have lost here, you would have lost here, you would have lost here. You would have lost here.
It very depends on the 30-minute candle and how the 15-minute is look like, and what news we have today, and which part of the day we trade on, what happened in the London or what happened on New York. I have like, it's not like only what I see on the charts and I'm executing. Is like I'm expecting the price to do something very specific. If like let's say today, the majority of the volume, I know this guy. The
Oh,
majority
okay.
of the volume were on the pre-London and London opening. So I knew at the beginning that I'm not expecting the price to have a huge move on New York, on pre-New York or New York opening. Because of that, you saw the $100 that I took at the last day of today. I eventually put it on break even because I didn't expect the price to have like a huge move
Okay.
after we had a very strong momentum on London opening. Like I have like a little bit deeper
Knowledge,
look
understanding.
look
Yeah.
at how the price moving and yeah
Okay.
yeah but yeah
Yeah, it's yeah. It's just it's super hard to trade like this, but what I see is like there's some sort of value in this. Like this can't be random. Like this can't be random. This is too accurate. Or like these
yes
right? Like here, for example, this is the top we break through, and here, for example, you could enter here. This is too accurate to anyway. Uh, let me one time show maybe a better situation on some. Yeah, here for example, this is like crazy. Probably that looks really like insanely good in
okay
terms of the system. One, and then we move on. Then I let you free. So we came down. We came down. That's why. So we came down from from a button. We came down to a major level, or like we broke this level. We broke it.
okay
We go back here. Let's see if we find a better level to the left. Holy shit! What the fuck? Where was I? No, I missed it. Shit, where did I see it?
you look at on the 15
Here,
minute
right?
time frame
Maybe here?
I think
Oh
so
yeah.
yeah because it was how you would just open the chart so it was at the beginning here you
Yeah,
go I
that's it.
think there
That's it. So we have this, you see again, this red candle here, this red candle. So this is like, again, this level, it needs to, so it's also called like, if this level breaks to the down, we probably go even lower because this is the only last
yeah
one, anyway. So we are at this level. We came from the top. We are at this level, so okay, maybe this could hold the price, and we come from the top. So I know if this is holding, or if this area is holding, I know we go up. So because we can, everything hit like the rules, all of the rules hit. We came from the top. We have some level to the left. So we try to see what is going on here. So here you go. Can go this. We mark our level. So the first drop is this low here, or like this one, and we came up to the top side. Let's see. We mark this one as the level, and the top one and the bottom one. So this would be define our range. If that is true, we need to see. So then we never have a second hit here. So we see this one here goes to the lower side. So we need to go lower on the time frame to actually mark so on this downtrend here, we know that this is not the right time frame, 15. So we go lower. So and then we see it's always the same. We see on the downside this candle here, and it hit this one here. So we know, or maybe even this on the lower time frame. But let's take this one and we are on this downtrend here right now. Oh no, we are on this downtrend here. So here somewhere. So and then we know, okay, the 5 minute looks even better. Maybe it's this one. We know that this one got smashed through. and we see, okay, the next one up is we holding this level here, and we perfectly hit this. So we know kind of that this area here is for some is some value, like it's definitely some value area. The bottom one is very tricky, or like trickier, but we have both the 15 and the 5.
Yeah.
And
Yeah, I got. Yeah,
Another
you
hit.
see, Kilus, many opportunity for to put a sell.
yeah, exactly. To put the sell, but we are, the bias of us is we want in this area we want to buy, like, because we want to break this, because we came from the top, and we have a level that we are like, maybe from this side, maybe we consolidate on this level here, whatever. Yeah, it's the same. So we know that the bias is still bullish, in my opinion, because this is my rule. I put the rule by myself. We came from the top, so I'm looking for a bullish trend. So, and then we see the 4th top. We hit the top, came down. You know cup and handle, right? It's a lot of time also cup and handle, like this, and then this, and then it breaks up to the upside. It's cup and handle thing. But then you see it taps in, 4th time we break up. And you see also it's a huge buy area for like another,
because the resistance becomes a support.
Exactly. And boom, up. This is like, yeah, the bottom is tricky, but yeah, if you have different systems and whatnot, maybe you have like 1 or 2 losers here. But I tell you right now, if you let's say like how I would see it, right? We come down and say, oh man, this is wrong. Is it right? Is it wrong? I don't know. I probably would have. Nah, I don't know. I wouldn't enter here because I don't have enough information. This is my information that we are in the range. Like this telling me, right? This hit that we hit perfectly. This tells
because
me,
we come from the top.
Yeah, exactly. And we have like some sort of level on the left side, but that's not needed. But this tells me that this level is valid. If it works, it doesn't need to work. But this tells me that we hit the 2nd time this level. This activates basically my level. So, and then you can, and then probably have maybe a loser here. Maybe if you, I don't know, if you depends on your whole system and whatnot.
But you're not looking for buy. You're looking only for sell because we come.
No, I'm looking for buy.
Up.
No, I'm looking for buy. It's only buy. We come from the every time. So we come from the top, build a range, buy. If we come from the bottom range, I would probably look, depending on the structure here, for buy.
Very good.
But I'm usually trade this one, like coming from the top, build range, go up. This is what I usually, but anyway, like you also could, you have like different systems where you can, for example, what usually also the case is that you have on the top side the straight line, and on the bottom side you have like a sort of trend that is somehow built. And then what happens usually a lot is, you also can do this on the other side, right? Where you have the bottom side straight, and it comes from the top, and the price moves in here. But usually it's going in this side and moves against. This is not the strategy, but I'm talking too much. But like.
No, I got you. It's making like a triangle, I think.
Exactly.
Triangle, and then.
And it's pressing against this trend, and then you usually see either, like this is trading, right? We have like probabilities. It's 50-50. Sometimes it does this, pressures against the trend is not holding enough. It breaks the trend, comes up, tests probably the trend, and then goes down. You also have this. But it's always pressing against some trend, in this case also, and then you see the huge pump. And the main goal and maybe the mindset like I have and I developed, and this guy tells the same thing. Here, look. I found that recently, actually. Let me see. Is that the right one? No, that's not even the right one here. This one.
What took me the longest
Was laggy. Holy shit.
Breakouts are fewer.
But okay, listen to it. Listen. Do you hear them, right?
Yeah, yeah.
The breakouts are fewer in percentage-wise than the bounces. And so if I'm here for a high probability trade, the probability is on the bounce.
You see? So it's not like that's what I mean. Like it's too long here. Like your system is working, and please keep doing your system because you're profitable with it. It seems like, but you see that the bounce you would have lost here, you would have lost here, you would have lost here, and yes, you would have made money here. On the 1, 2, 3 system, you would have still be profitable, but I would rather. Anyway, he's telling the same.
Not on the break.
So and then he has this one, and I found this recently. Wait a second, let me find it. Where is it? It's this one. I want to watch this
What
one.
took me the longest was learning how to actively.
So here, look at this and what he's telling. He's exactly saying what I do.
By the way, I'm not sure people notice, but you're getting in and out of trades while we speak, which is insane.
Yeah. This particular picture here
This one. It's exactly what I do.
explains a lot of what I try to do. The idea that I trade the range, most
You are like most people. He's talking about
people
breakout.
want to be the trend trader. They want to capture the breakout. I'm already in that.
Exactly. I try to long this bottom here, because then my stop loss is already in profit when it comes down again, and it's not working out.
I took the best price. If I play the range, I'm already in this trade when the breakout happens. I just have to hold on to my trade. And
Yep. This is the first time I see someone has the same mindset here with getting here. And like how to define the range is basically what I'm trying to tell you. Like you already have a good system. Your supply and demands are already correct. I saw that on the stream. But this is like if you wanna test it like this. With the red candle and with the red candle on the top and the bottom, like this, for example, these kind of things on the 5-minute. Like if you try this and you will see, it's super good. This is just I want to show you.
Yeah. This is what I like it. There is so many approach. Like some people try to catch the bottom, and some people try to go with the trend. What I'm trying to do is go with the trend, like to go.
No, me too.
Yeah, like I look at GJ right now. I could took a sell, but I wanted to listen to you. I want to see what. Yeah, really. It was more important to me, like to be really on your explanation, because you really took the time.
Oh, you wanted to? Nah, bro.
You really took the time, and you.
Nah. You're more like more important. Like your trades are more important. You should have told me. I would have stopped talking.
No, man. It was very good explanation. I like it. And I am very happy that I record everything, so I could see it again.
Yeah, it's just these two levels. It's like it's not like do like what I said. It's just maybe I open the eyes that you also see this, right? Let's say you shot yourself and you see this and you see, oh, he told me, man, maybe there's like some level, and then you know how to market. And then you mark it, and then maybe it helps you to find.
I could like level up myself and have a multiple approach to the market and price action.
Yeah, for example, like I'm not trading ICT, right? But it's actually valuable to know. We have accumulation, we have the liquidation, and then what people want to see is break this, the ICT guys break this, come down to an FVG. I don't know if you heard that, probably, right? Some FVG. Where's an FVG? Like here, for example, this is an FVG, right? this one here, from here to there, this level, and you see it's respected, and then, or it's maybe here actually, wait a second, we come up.
They want a break and then the price to continue to retrace
Up,
to
up.
XAUUSD
XD, yes.
and then continue up.
Yep. But still, like the value I take out of, for example, ICT is that it opens my mind of a possibility that we have a liquidation candle. No.
Yeah.
So you, I'm just, you know, this is like, if you tell me what you see in the market, and then I try to learn that and implement. Like, I'm not, you know what I mean? Like, I learned more. I have like the eyes for that. So this is what ICT. I'm not trading ICT, but I know this is like a picture perfect liquidation out of this accumulation. We, after this one, we huge pump and we broke it. So. Yeah, I have that in my back of my mind every time I look at the price.
Yeah.
Anyway, yeah, I don't want to waste your time anymore. I just want to show you this level.
You're not.
But
you're improving my time. You're not wasting them.
But if you, how much, if you take your, because I don't know that. Here, wait a second. One last thing. Where is it? Here, this one. So, how much is 28% for you in money-wise, or tip, or like how much would that be? Do you know
what?
that?
26%?
Yeah, 0.28%, or like how
risk.
Wait. No, wait. Can I do that in pips
like
or
in
something?
point?
Yeah, in
on MT5 like? Let's see, we're at 15 minutes. 600 point. Around 600.
It is 46 points.
Let's 0 point. You from here. Let me see again. All the way. Yeah, 46, 40.
How much is that in money? If you would trade $500 or 1K, or like your percentage risk, or how much money would that in stock market? Or
if I risk 1% is 1K.
Okay.
Like I don't
So
understand. Like in lots in trading size.
Now I just wanna get a perspective, because like this is the trade, or like this is the level here, right? This is the perfect, like we mark that somewhere here, and this is like, because you said, oh, you want to sell, but this was the perfect level here, and it shoots up, and I just want to know, like, let's say you entered here, like how much money would that be? 46 pips, or like.
If I enter right now, no.
The level we talked about. Wait a second, let me find it. Which one was it? Yeah, it was the 4-hour one.
We still not reached to the entry point. We said. I said 199 to 40.
88. You say 88? 40?
188 to 40. Yes.
240, yeah.
240. Yes.
Yeah,
right on your line.
Yeah. This one was the 4-hour one, and I see already this is probably the exact one I linked.
No, it's the same level. I think the price will bounce from there.
Boom. I linked that in your chat too. Let's see. to the cent. Look. Okay, wait. I need to close my. One second. I need to close that and then come back. Wait a second, because I don't want to. Wait. Watch. Let me see here. Okay.
We're going to reach this level very soon.
So you see again, yeah?
Yeah.
this one was the first one, would be profitable already. You could have like, anyway, this is the second one, and this is basically the one. Yeah, you see, this is the current. Yeah, this
like
is like
where you said you're going to put like a buy.
along. Yeah, for example, and you said, oh, it's too tight, or like, or no, you said here, you said the stop loss from me is
Yes.
at the,
Yes.
and I put it not on the line. I usually do that. I'm not putting it directly on the line because I front run it a little bit.
Yeah, but it's still not reach your TP. It's not reach your TP, so it's
but the
mean.
TT. No, wait. The TP, sorry, like the TP is like, you trade different, right? But I never have a TP. Like this is just I just dragged it up. I never have a TP.
Why not?
So because every scalp I do is like could be a swing or something.
Okay,
So-
you are not like put a TP. You are like let's say if the price.
Yeah, for example, my stop loss is now maybe here,
Yeah.
and probably it get hit, or I took already stuff out. I don't know how this developed. Yeah, you see, like
Yeah, like
Wait a
you follow it like you.
yeah,
If,
exactly.
for example, you put you took a sell, so your TP, for example, is above the previous candle or something like this. I don't know.
Yeah, no, like
But you see there is
Yes.
two options. Or what is the time right now? Is it 10? We have a 12 minute. Or the price of this 30 minutes is going to stay here and not like go all the way down, and then the next 30 minutes is going to open and is going to retrace to the line I said and then bounce, or this current candle is going to break this low and is going to continue.
if we
Continue to feel all this week. And
look, you look right now, yeah, what the price is happening. If we, obviously the market is doing whatever, but this one is the big level. Like I try to teach you, like like a level that has a lot of volatility. So if we are breaking this level here, then we dump like here. We dump heavily.
yeah,
And so obviously the market can do whatever it wants, but like I would say, for example, this one here right now, like this is how I trying to think about stuff. This level right now, and maybe a potential hit on this level, maybe a wick through comes up and holds it, but it never can close underneath, like a candle underneath. So that if it closes a candle underneath like this,
I say it's very simple. It's going to touch the 250 and bounce from there. That's it. Like here, for example, you already were here. I have like an alert. You see, we found the support, and let's see if the price will like keep the support.
okay.
But yeah, we have a potential to continue with the trend. But let's see.
Do we have news? Some crazy
No,
news?
no. Today is zero news. Nothing happen.
Okay.
You see, we found the rejection there.
$100. It can't be luck, or it can't be like, it must be some value in these levels, or in the way I mark them. It's too accurate. It's like on the cent, like even though it comes further down.
What did I said? Like the 250?
Yeah, 250 is also pretty decent. Like, and you mark this one, right? So you would say here, you mark this one, right? From here to here.
The 250, yeah. The stop loss is like 180. Stop loss is 170, let's say, or 160. Stop loss is 160.
Oh,
like
you 188, 160.
yes, yes, yes. But the price, I think, will continue with the downtrend. But
And what is the, like, you mark this one here? Like, do you learn that from somewhere? Like, why do you mark
I
this one?
took a course of someone named Raja Banks.
And he is doing that.
No. Explain to you is like I learned from I learned the price action and like the price should break from certain level to have more profitable to continue to in the certain way. But the understanding, the way I see it, is only because I lose so fucking much time and I learn from my mistakes. And this is the reason, like, I now I have like the way I see it, the way I look at it is like I don't know how to explain it. I not try to catch the low or the high. I'm literally look at high
Probability setup.
probability trades that repeat themselves.
So would you short this one here? Like, where, or would you long this one here?
I wouldn't
Because-
take a where this place is my TP, is my take profit. It's not like a buy execution.
Oh, you would have. Oh, yeah, you would have shorted from.
I will short it
from here
from
or something, or like here.
188.645. This was supposed to be my sell execution, and stop loss is 188.880. This is what my stop loss is.
And why did you specifically choose that? Because trend broke this low, or like why? Why did you choose to short it? Any
If
reason
you
for
look
that?
at the 189.100 is a very strong rejection area, and if you look at the 1 hour and you put a line on the 189.100, you see is go like a wave. It's like go down, find the support, go a little bit up, and then go down and break the 189.100 line and find the support on the 1 hour candle. Find the support, like you see is reject and touch this line twice. And if we move on to the, let's say, go from the daily to the 4 hour and move on the daily, I can simply see that right now the bias have more potential to be a sell bias. And you remember what I said? I can show you my screen. Let's see if I can share my screen. Yeah, let's do like this.
Yep.
Can you see my screen?
Yep.
Now is the 30 minute. Now we're going to drag there chart by chart. Now you see the daily. So first of all, I set a bias before.
I only say 30 minutes. It stays at 30 minutes.
What? 30 minute time?
Yes, time frame. It stays like your screen stays at 30-minute time frame.
Okay.
Because you're not showing the whole screen. You're just showing this 30-minute chart, I think, or something. But make sure you don't leak anything. Yeah. Don't leak anything you don't want to leak. I mean, you're safe with me, but you know.
Let's 1 minute. This is the first time I do it, so I'm not.
Yeah, all good.
Frame rate. change. How do I share my whole screen, like not just this
You
specific time frame?
press on the window and then share your screen, basically. The second from the left side. This one here.
Share your screen.
And then you can choose
screen. Yeah, here we go. I see it. Screen 1, screen 2. Okay. So, no.
Don't see it. Wait a second.
Go live.
Now, yeah.
Okay. Let's move on. Let's move from the daily. Now, before I start the day, I set a bias on the daily that I'm looking for only sell. So it's mean.
But why? Why? Do you have any reason for that?
The reason is because we found a rejection here, the price go all the way here. So if the price should go above and like, I don't know, fill this area again, it should break this level. Because if after it break this level, you have more potential to continue up, because we have this clean range on the left. This whole clean range is weak is a clean range. Okay, but because I start the day and I saw the price is below the line and is like look like is want to continue down here, because it was already red when I started the day. So I said to myself, okay, I'm going to set the sell the bias for today GJ is sell, because the price is below here, below this candle, and that's it. This is like a bias for GJ. And if you remember, I said to you it's better to wait for a new 4-hour candle for GJ, because let's say I'm looking for sell on GJ. Okay, you see this red candle, this red candle is close very red. Okay, on the 4-hour we have this area. So for me is like an agreement, like if the price is eventually break this line and continue up here, it's mean the sell is not valid. I can't take a sell because the level of the price is now above this line. So after we have a break and the price find a rejection here, I can move on to the next time frame. And the next time frame is 1 hour here. The same, almost same level on the 4-hour. We have this rejection. The price like go from all the way. We are already on the downtrend. All the way find the support, go all the way up, and eventually break this level and find a rejection here. The price rejection in this area, and one time it's close red, one time it's close green, but still have a rejection here. So it's like if the price won't keep on this level and eventually go above here and close above this area, is bullish. I'm not going to set any sell position, because now the trend is bullish. Very simple.
Look to the 1 hour, 1 hour, and before the bounce, this level. I teach you. It's perfectly hit there.
Look here, you see how I said he's going to bounce from here, but I wouldn't take this trade because I'm looking for only sell.
Okay. So you're not buying till we go over the 1 hour support there.
I'm not going to buy and not set a trade anymore, because we're already in 5:30 and usually we don't have much of a volume in this hour, and the price already did his thing for me. Like he already moved the place that I expect from him to go. Yeah.
So you're setting your bias for the day that was bearish, and then you never trade against it, even though.
Yes, even
Okay.
though that even if I see a buy opportunity.
Okay. Okay.
So for me, like, I minimize my risk. I minimize the potential of losing. So after I observe this area as a clean range, I want to look for an execution because I'm on the 30-minute time frame. So
But you lost because you was looking at my screen probably.
no, it's okay. I don't give a fuck. It's okay. I'm more mad about the buy position I miss on gold on New York opening because I was asleep.
Okay.
Okay, so after the price consolidate in this place, this area, remember, is the rejection on the 1 hour.
Yeah, exactly.
After he consolidate here and find the rejection, it's look like he made a fake out and then close inside the zone. And this is the reason I'm not looking for a buy when I set like a buy, like when I said the buys for today to sell, because usually if my bias for today was buy and the price did like a fake out and close inside the zone again, I will buy. But my bias for today is sell, so I'm not going to buy when I set the bias for today to sell. So I'm waiting. I'm not going to buy, not going to sell.
Could you trade after 17, or like can you trade the whole day, or is it like set to only to?
I'm usually trade between 2:30 to 6, but it very depends on news, which session we have volume, and
okay,
is very depends. So let's move on.
How much does 100K cost? Like the
challenge, $540. $540. The one page challenge. What I'm doing.
Yeah.
So let's move on. After I see like here, I see like for me it's look like a confirmation for sell. To be honest, this is like a confirmation to sell, but the problem is that if I put a sell execution of sell here, my stop loss is too wide, so I'm not going to take the sell because the stop loss is too wide. So let's move on. I will wait till this 30-minute candle to close.
Why is the stop loss too high?
Too wide.
So
like it's too wide. It's 500 points.
No, I'm asking that because usually there's a size calculation, right? And no matter what.
Yeah, the size calculation, but I'm like, if I put a sell here and stop loss is here and I'm risk 1%, so
it takes too
for
long
me, in order to gain 1%, is need to move the same amount, you know. What I'm looking for is a greater execution when I have an advantage of a risk and reward ratio, like here. So you see this current bullish candle is eventually close below the line. Let's remove this line, it's just confusing. Is eventually close below this line, but I can't take a sell execution because it's bullish candle. So I will wait. I'm waiting. This another 30-minute candle is retraced up. Eventually close here. This is my execution. So I can say I can put a sell here and a stop loss below the line is 240, like it's 240. This is one opportunity, one thing to go on it. The second is to wait the price to touch here and put a stop loss above the previous 30-minute candle. But what is more important to me is to see, like, ignore this candle for a second and focus on this tree. On this tree, when this 30-minute candle present, I see like a bearish structure, like a bearish downtrend on the 15-minute. So is
Don't
even
you think
more.
that looks like bullish?
What?
Don't you think it looks bullish?
Ignore what happened to the left. Ignore.
Yeah, no.
Look at
These
here.
three candles or four candles or five candles look for me like the four candles look for me bullish.
Is not look bullish because this because you see this 15-minute candle is respect. This 15-minute candle respect the previous high of the 15-minute and break the low. This one also respect the high, and it look like it have a downtrend, like it's a very short downtrend, and while this present, I see this 30-minute candle close bearish, so I can put a stop loss here, put a take profit here and stop loss here. And when I see the price like go a halfway, I can put the stop loss on break even to manage my risk, etc. and etc.
Okay.
And because I saw it a few times that is happen, so one, I know what I need to wait for, and two, as I said, you see the price find the support tiers, bounce from there, so I know that I'm not going to put a stop take profit here. I'm going to put a take profit even here, like a bit above the price I was thinking is going to bounce from.
Okay.
Like is a little bit, you need a little bit practice. Like it's not 100%. I'm still making mistakes.
Everyone does. And the market always like
yeah.
it's shifting and whatnot. You will have losers. Like it's normal. That's
yeah, that's it. I just that's it. So I just want to test it more to see really if there is a future to this way I'm looking at the chart, but
yeah, for sure. No, it looks decent. So I mean, I understand what you're saying. So I guess definitely it works, but like obviously I don't know in detail. Like for example, like I thought about you're shorting this, right? You're shorting you're shorting from there, for example, right? So you have like what I've understand is you have like a potential bounce level in your head, and you're shorting to the bounce level, right? That's what comes into my mind.
yeah,
When you talked about that. So you're basically you're kind of sure, oh man, the price is coming most likely to this level because of all these reasons. So the probability that it comes there is high for my system. So I will short to this level. I'm not longing this level. I'm shorting to the level. Yeah, I mean I don't know. Yeah, it's a different approach, but it makes sense if you do it like this.
yeah. So I just look for a probability and all these things, and I believe we just need more practice. I need to go change the mistakes. I'm start to upload to YouTube video of me that I'm doing a trading breakdown. So I really want to focus on this. To find out my mistakes and how can I improve, even though I have a successful trade, always to be on the move, not like
Yep. Always open mind, always learn.
Yeah. Okay, I believe I'm going to for a workout. This is usually the time I'm ending everything, and I go for a run and clean my mind. I recommend to you to do as well.
No, I I basically wanted just 5 minutes to show you the level, and then I wanted to take a walk because it's sunny outside and it's like it's beautiful outside.
Where are you from?
Germany.
Ah, it's 1 hour.
Yeah.
Like now it's 4:40 in your country.
Yep.
Yeah.
Like
It's still sunny.
Yeah. Wait a second. Give me 1 minute. Wait. So wait, 1 second. What she said?
Oh, watchy, wake, wake. Walk.
So. Okay. Wait. Am I streaming? Yeah. Shouldn't stream that. Wait. There it is. Camera.
Right there.
Is it this one? Yeah. Okay. Screen. Wait, do you see this one?
All the files, yeah.
Oh shit, wait.
What is porn?
No. So you see this?
Yeah.
This is how it looks like, and I'm going out. The village ends up here, and I go this way, and then up to the forest, and then I'm going all the way here on this forest. And
Wow, it looks beautiful.
Yeah, wait. Yeah, it's super beautiful. Yeah. And this is how it looks. Do you see that right now? No, right? No. So look, this is how, like, the sun comes from there, and here in Mac is. Yeah.
Wow.
Super sunny right now.
Wow, beautiful. You have a very beautiful place you live at.
Yep. Oh yeah. This is how the this is not today, but this is how it looks like even now. So I'm going this one here. The village is down here, and this way here's a village, and I'm going up here. Then I'm going up all the way up here, and then I'm walking down this forest line, go up here, forest line. Yeah. Then I'm coming back. This is my walk.
It look very pasteful, like very very nice. I like. I'm doing a run. I'm running like a very similar place like this.
Okay.
So yeah. I'm very like you have when you have like nature that surround you, you feel like you can breathe like
exactly.
You have a clean air. I like it. I like nature in like.
Yeah, it heals your mind. Yeah, same.
Yeah.
Yep. All right. Then have a good walk. See you tomorrow, I guess, or the other days.
Yeah, bro.
All right. See you then. Bye bye.
Yes, yeah.